For welcome in, it's the realist, aka Dara. You feel me? And y'all seen the title, bro. Get the bag. Stop focusing on women. Stop focusing on these girls, these females, these hoes, these bitches, whatever you wanna call them. Stop focusing on the women, bro. Because I'm gonna keep it simple. I can make this video long, go in depth, but I'm gonna keep it short today, real quick. If you waste your time getting females, you will lose time and you will lose money. And when you ain't got no money, you can't get no females. That simple. If you use your time to get money, you get more money, and by getting more money, females will attract to you, because if you are the one guy that has the most money, they will all want you. If you are the guy that makes 8K a month, then they ain't gonna come, then they wanna come to you, you feel me? So that's the thing. The quote again is chase the bag, don't chase no female, because you lose your time and your money chasing a female. But if you focus on the bag, you will get money plus the female. So the choice is actually pretty easy to me, you feel me? So this is just a short little video. You know what to do. Get to your grind, to your purpose. Don't chase no females, they will come if you do that stuff, bro. It's been the realest. I'll see you on the next one, man. Peace out.